Hola! In this episode, we will explore the incredible ruins of Monte Alban. But first, coffee. Hola! I'm going to show you guys my amazing outfit that I got from the market. $15. Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo está?
Está bien.
I see this wonderful family almost every day, and they make my day because they're always smiling at me and happy, and this little shy one. Ay, qué bueno. Linda. Peekaboo! Mira. Hey sis, I'm fine. I'm actually gonna go get my hair done. Do you know where there's a good salon? Aquí? Okay. All right, have a good day. Llámame. Wow, me gusta. What a difference the blow dry does. She turned it out. ¿Cómo te llama?
Maki.
¿Cómo?
Maki.
Machi. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Looks amazing. Hola.
Hola, buenas.
Buenos días.
Buenos días, dígame.
¿Cuánto Monte Alban?
A Monte Albán 200 pesos por anular, lo que es la subida.
Vamos, Monte Alban.
Vamos por allá.
Gracias.
I don't know.
Wow.
How much is it? 20 minutes, you say?
So we were gonna go to the botanical gardens this morning, but they're closed, even though Google says they're open. So make sure you double check things before, because with COVID, everything is just a mess right now. So I'm with my beautiful Sagittarius sister. Where are we going?
Monte Alban, the ruins.
Whoa! So it's about 20 minutes outside of the city, and it's gonna be an amazing adventure. Vámonos! I'm getting dizzy. Oh my god, so many windy roads. Okay guys, just getting to Monte Alban.
Acá arribita nada más, pasándole la vueltecita y luego está.
Okay, basically,
Bueno,
Está el museo y están las ruinas.
¿qué dice?
we need to go up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just spilled water all over me. I am so dizzy, guys. That was like a roller coaster ride up here. Okay guys, so it is 80 pesos to get in. Monte Alban, inhabited over a period of 1,500 years, is the most important archaeological site of the Valley of Oaxaca. This site is known for its unique dimensions, which exhibit the basic chronology and artistic style of the region. The terraces, dams, canals, pyramids, and artificial mounds were all literally carved out of a mountain and are symbols of sacred topography. This is definitely a workout.
Definitely.
Wow, this is incredible. Alright guys, so we are heading back to Central, downtown, and we had an amazing time,
That was
wasn't it?
amazing.
It was so
Totally worth
beautiful. I think it was more impressive than Chichen Itza.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
There was definitely more to see. It wasn't as touristy, and I actually felt more of like a spiritual vibe there. Woo! So if you're wondering, we took a taxi up here and it was $10 and it's $10 down. I think you can get up here with a rickshaw. There's another way, but it is very windy, so be mindful of that. Gracias. Wow, this building is amazing.
And they make it here.
Okay guys, we are having bean soup.
It's yummy.
Oh my god, you're gonna love it.
Hopefully. That weird. That is strange. So it was chocolate?
This is my friend's first time trying the mole and she said, is this really chocolate? Yes. It's such a very unique dish. It's chocolate.
Ya tiene chocolate, bueno, lo principal es chihuacle negro, ceniza de chile, tiene especias, chocolate, un poco de pan,
Wow.
y semillas.
No wonder we love it so much because we love chocolate.
I have tried, maybe it's very weird.
It is weird, but it's so good. Hola! I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and if you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure that you guys are traveling. See the world. It's so magical and beautiful. See it before it's too late, because next they'll be saying that aliens are coming. That would actually be cool. Till next time, vamonos.